Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today problem number 4 we discuss about the print phi table by using the while loop. Okay, we will first go for the intuition. Okay, already we know that what is a phi table, right? What is the syntax for that? Okay, this is the syntax. We need to take the number. Okay, and we will see that too. Every time the number what you are taking, it should be the constant, and we have to print the range from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 what the table you asked. By default it should be the 10 digits, and we need to do the multiplication of one fixed number with the values 1 to 10 values. Okay, and we will do that and we will write the code. Okay, let's take, if the user enter the number, particular table number, if that would be the 5. Okay, let's take value int of I is equals to, it should start with the 1. Okay, and next we have to take while I should be less than or equals to 10. Okay, because 5 into 1 is equals to 5. From there 5 into 10 is equals to 50, and this is the I value. Okay, and this is the user enter number, and this is the product. Okay, and next what we have to do right now, we have to print the output. What is the thing? First we need to enter the number. Okay, after that what we have to do, we have to make sure that it should be having one multiplication symbol. Then what should be like, it should consisting of I value, then it should consisting of equals to, then we need to write num into I. Okay, it should be like 5, and we get the digit within the strings as into, and what is the values we change every time? 1, and that should be within the quotation, say string type is equals to, and that will give 5 into 1 will be 5. Okay, next 5, this is common. I value will be changing every time because we used in the while loop. And what is the 5 into 2? You will get 10. Okay, that will be repeated, but before that we need to increment the I value. Every time we need to increment the I value. Okay, after 1 it should be 2, right? So we need to increment. As we learned earlier in the loops concept, this is initialization, this is writing the condition, and this is updation. Okay, yeah, and let's write the code for that. Just open the Eclipse, and I have taken already, enter the number, and the number should be like this, and int of I is equals to 1, and while loop will be starting from I must be less than or equals to 10, and it was the I value range. And let's take printable statement, enter num into you can take the asterisk into I value plus within the strings equals to plus num into I. Every time we need to increment the I value. Okay, if I run the code, what is the output we are going to get? We are going to get the phi table. Okay, this is the output. Okay, 5 1 to 5, 5 2 is 10, up to that 10 numbers. Okay, instead of 5 you can write any number, like you can write 9, okay, or you can write 19. Okay, we are going to get the output. That's all about today video. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.